let's take a look at this example. As you can see, we're supposed to perform the operation inside of the parentheses first, the inner parentheses, okay, and after that inside of the brackets, and at the end we're supposed to perform the power and multiplication and additions. Okay, so let's take a look what we're supposed to do first. We have to add these two numbers together first. So I have 60 minus, and I have 2 plus 4 is equal 6 to the second power, plus, let me do everything step by step, plus, and I have 4, open parentheses, inside of the parentheses I have power, I have 201 raised to power 0. We said that any number besides 0 raised to power 0 is equal 1. That's why this is equal 1 plus 1, close the bracket, and everything is raised to the second power. Next, we're going to continue doing the operations inside of the brackets. So I have 60 minus 6 to the second power is equal 36. Close the bracket, plus 8 times 5, plus I have 4, inside of the parentheses I have additions, I have 1 plus 1 is equal 2, and everything is raised to the second power. Next, we have 60 minus 36. 60 minus 36 is equal, borrow 1 from here, this is 10. 10 minus 6 is equal 4, and I have 5 minus 3 is equal 2, is 24. I have 24 plus 8 times 5 plus, and I have to perform the multiplication in these brackets. I have 4 times 2 is equal 8. Everything is raised to the second power. Next, let's take off the brackets because we have just one number inside of these brackets. So I have 24. Now, because I have multiplication, and on the left side of this multiplication I have addition, and I have addition also on the right side of this multiplication, I can perform this multiplication because this multiplication is separated from 24 and from 8 to the second power by addition. So that's why I have 8 times 5 is equal 40, and 8 to the second power is equal 64. Next, I'm supposed to simply add these three numbers together. I have 24, 40, 64. Add them up. 4 plus 4 is equal 8. 2 plus 4 is equal 6. 6 plus 6 is equal 12. The answer is 128. Of course, this is the solution to my problem.